Back down the river, May 14th this morning, 2025. Just watching an eagle over there, picking the fish out. I don't know if you can see it. Yeah, I'm just waiting. Perfect morning. No wind. Yesterday I tried to fish, but there was way too much wind, so I just took in the scenery. Just waiting for the water to slow down a little bit. There's still a fair bit of debris coming on this side, and the water's a little fast over there yet off that bar. Yeah, got the boat all ready, just sitting here having a coffee, watching the eagles. So there's some fish out there. Yeah, the tide's coming in around 1:30, so it's handy 7:30 now, so I got 3 or 4 hours of fishing this morning. I'm looking forward to getting out there, seeing what's out there. Well, I think I'm going to go across the river. I've still got a bunch of debris coming this side, and it's time to go fishing. So we'll see what it's like over on the other side. Yeah. Little motor started up. Yeah, still quite a bit of debris over here. Still lots of water right here. Yeah, we got some still water here. Current line's right over there. There's only a couple feet of water underneath here right now. Still some debris in the water coming down, but we're on the other side of the river now. Water's not too dirty. I'm just going to throw an anchor out here and have a look for a few minutes, and maybe we'll toss a net out there. Well, 10 o'clock now. It's pretty slow down the river. It's my third set out there, and barely filled a bucket, but that's fishing for you. Turned out to be a pretty nice day. Still a couple hours of fishing, so something's could change. Yeah. I'll check in after a while if things get exciting. Well, we're back on the other side of the river now. Done for the day. Got a last net to clean out. There's not very many fish in there. Might have caught 150 today. Nice day. The water is really good right now, but just not hitting any schools. Just the odd straggler coming through. You get that. So won't have very much fish to take up the bank. That's a bonus, I guess. Yeah, well, hopefully it's going to bring a bunch more gas bro in there today. Coming in pretty fast now. Making a set of rapids down there. Didn't see the river raptors today. They might have went up. Thanks for watching my videos, and bye for now.